Hello students, today we are going to see about chapter 3, understanding quadrilaterals. In this video we are going to see about example 1 and 2. So here they have given one polygon and we need to measure x from the figure 3.3. So this is the figure 3.3. So in this figure we need to measure what is the angle of exterior, that is exterior angle x. So for this we need to know one formula, that is sum of exterior angles of a polygon is given by 360 degree. So first of all, what is the exterior angle? Whenever the angle is formed between a polygon and the extended line from the vertex of a polygon, then it is called as a exterior angle. So whenever an angle is formed between a polygon and the extended line from the vertex of a polygon, okay. So whenever it is interior of the polygon, then it is interior angle. Whenever it is outside, okay, exterior of the polygon, we can say that angle is nothing but exterior angle. So we have the formula that all the addition of all the exterior angles is equal to 360 degree. So that is the formula. So with this formula we need to measure what is this particular exterior angle x. Okay. So let us add all the values of your exterior angles. Okay. So here we have x plus, and here it is 90 degree, and here it is 50 degree plus, and here it is 110 degree. So these are all the sum of all the exterior angles. So generally the sum of all the exterior angles is nothing but 360 degree. Okay, so this is the general formula. With the general formula we can easily find out what is x. So x plus, okay, so we have 90 plus 50. So 0 plus 0, 0, 9 plus 5 is 14. So 1 you have carry, and then next value is 110. So 140 plus 110, 0 plus 0 is 0, 4 plus 1 is 5, 1 plus 1 is 2. Okay, so plus 250 we have in the left hand side, plus 250 degree, and which is equal to 360 degree. So x we can determine 360 degree, keep as it is, values you can move to the right hand side. So plus 250 becomes minus 250. So 360 minus 250. 0 minus 0, 0, 6 minus 5 is 1, 3 minus 2 is 1. Okay, so totally it is 110. So x value is given by 110 degree. This is the answer for the example 1. Let us see now the example 2. Find the number of sides of a regular polygon whose each exterior angle has a measure of 45 degree. So they didn't mention the number of sides, number of angles, all those things they didn't mention, but they have given one hint, that is it is a regular polygon. So what is a regular polygon? A regular polygon has equal sides as well as equal angles. Okay, so it has equal angles and equal sides. Already we know one formula, that is sum of exterior angles. Sum of all the exterior angles of any polygon is equal to 360 degree, and here in this problem they have given the measure of each exterior angle. Measure of each exterior angle is nothing but 45 degree. Okay, so the number of exterior angles is given by sum of exterior angle divided by measure of each exterior angle. Okay, so that is 360 degree. Okay, we can divide it by 45. So we can apply 5 tables here. 9 5s are 45 and 7 5s are 35. 1 you have, 1 0 you have, 1 0 means 10. So 5 2s are 10. Okay, So again you can apply 9 tables. 9 ones are 9. 9 eights are 72. So 8 by 1 is 8. So the number of exterior angle is nothing but 8. Okay. So whenever the number of exterior angles 8, the number of sides is also equal to the number of exterior angle. For example, if we have a simple triangle, okay. So how many angles are there? 3 angles are there. Okay. Similarly, how many sides are there? 3 sides are there. Okay. So the number of exterior angle is equal to number of sides. Therefore, we can easily say that the number of sides of a regular polygon is nothing but 8. Okay. This is the final answer. Thank you. Thanks for watching.